What's up, people? So today we are in Drogheda. When we started from our home, we thought we are going to Wicklow, but when we reached bus station, we saw the bus standing in front of us, and we made the decision to come to Drogheda today because there is no one single plan in. Where are you going? Because there is no one single plan in life. You should improvise with the time and the situation. And we are in this city, and I don't know what is there to explore or not. We will just go around and see what all to do. Until then, see you. Bye. Things are not looking good in the starting as everything looks closed. Kind of everything is closed. And we are walking in the city to explore what?
Nothing.
Nothing. But we'll find something.
It's not much.
Something like this. It's beautiful. So let's go inside and see what is there. We are in the St. Oliver Church, and have a look, guys. Guys, this is hell of a church.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So we have the reincarnations of Mr. Oliver, St. Oliver. So in Drogheda, this is our first stop, and we are in Moorland Cafe, and we have ordered some cheese and chips for us, and it's a very exciting cafe. I'll just give you how it looks, and let's wait for food and eat it, and let's get moving. So with that note, see you. And the food is here. So we are moving to the second destination, and we are done with the food with a small prank. What was the prank? You better not hear that.
Yes.
You guys will regret. So yes, so our second destination I think is close by, and the town is beautiful, small, quiet. Any more?
Good dogs.
Good dogs. Yes. It's lovely. So let's head to the next destination, and after that next destination, and we'll end the day with a pint of Guinness and say goodbye to this lovely place. See, TQ. Like all the coffee shops are well designed, actually well designed. When you sit in those coffee shops, you actually feel like alive. Not like Dublin coffee shop. So yes, let's move forward for now and see what happens. We are not able to see the destination where we have to go, but we can see one abandoned building, but I think that is not the place where we came up for. It showed something different, and now it's different because we are not using Google Maps today. We are just working on the instincts, no Google Maps. What could be better, like, to explore the city in more depth? Because when you use Google Maps, you just know where to go, and when you just walk on your instincts, you reach everywhere, every corner of the place. That's how it should be. We find a way to go up, and I don't know, he just ran off. I'm not sure ready to run, but I am doing great job. I am almost there. And yeah, we have reached the road. And we are almost reaching the good part of the day. So the second spot we are at right now is, so it's a tower. And there's no other way to get close by. So we'll just see it from here and we'll move forward with our lives. And the day is windy. Okay, so we have some history here. So it seems you can go. Are you done? So this simple, nice first simple church I have seen. Simplicity at top level. Not bad. So we just came out of the Lady of Lourdes Church, and it was the mark of simplicity. And now we are moving forward in our towards new points and new destinations. So let's see where we head to. People of this world, this guy has to say something. He wanted to say that we are officially lost because we don't know where we are going. Though I have some sense, but I'm not able to find the way. Oh! I think that is Power Rangers. I just spotted a Power Rangers statue. There is Power Rangers. Oh, but it was pause.
You didn't press?
So we are at McHugh's Lando's pub, and every time we go to new county, there's one thing we always look forward to: one good pint of Guinness, and we have it here. Landing, and we are at our second last destination, maybe last destination. So at this moment, we are at. We are at St. Lawrence Gate. So basically it's more about properly described as the Barbican. It stood as a front of to provide extra protection and destroyed the gateway of town hall. So this was the proper town gate for Drihog, and it served as a beautiful entry point towards the city. Not bad. So in the Malahide Park we have these sculptures, wooden sculptures, and my favorite one is also there, the owl. Yay! That's amazing. And here in Malahide Castle we also have a horse human-like statue which is built. So I'll show you like how it looks. So this is the horse human-like statue. So we have a graveyard next to the castle. घर के सामने कोई कैसे graveyard बना सकता है यार अपने. So we are moving forward, and this is the entry. Knock knock. No one is responding, so we have to move forward. So back in days, I have a theory. All the servants used to enter through that gate. maybe, yes.
But there is all this.
And we have the main entrance for the castle here. That's amazing. Oh, Malahide Castle, one of the most haunted castle in Ireland. So when you saw that graveyard in back of the castle, right? So that actually meant something, because many cases and instances have been reported for the Malahide castles where tourists and even people who have worked there have seen the sighting of the ghost. So there's a lot of theories behind it. So we'll be heading inside the castle in some time. Before that, we'll be exploring the garden. Inside the Malahide premises, we found this empty house, and even it seems like no one comes here. It used to be the base quarter for something maybe, but it's totally empty and closed. So should we go in or not?
No, right.
I thought that is locked. So the door is sealed off. Okay. And yeah, it's totally sealed off from everywhere, basically. You have something over there?
No.
Nothing. So we move out of this place then. Empty-handed. So we finally got the access to the castle now, and it's just 16 for adult ticket and 11 euros for student. So if you buy one ticket, you have the access to the butterfly garden and fairy trails and the castle itself. So the castle tour is starting at 2:20. Now we are going to butterfly, then we can head to the cafe, have something and enjoy. So we are in the butterfly garden, we are inside it, and there are a lot of butterflies inside the garden. Let me give you some ammo. And everywhere, like every part of the garden you will find like different kind of butterflies inside it. Let me go to some different angle. Butterfly, where are you? Like if you see inside this area itself, there are a lot of butterflies which is flying. No, butterflies attacking me. And they have fruits kept in the center to feed them. It's amazing. Oh, look at this one. She's beautiful. So like this was the overall view for the butterfly garden, and we can move forward to the castle now, as we have a waiting, and there will be a proper castle round. So we will have the full history, because it's also known as one of the most haunted castle in Ireland. So it would be a beautiful experience. So let's get the party ahead. See ya. So finally बटरफ्लाई गार्डन का टूर यहीं समाप्त होता है. वी हैव टू रश टू द कैसल नाउ. ओल्ड रोज गार्डन. It feels like the horse name which I used to play in Red Dead Redemption 2. It died a very bad death, but I know how to revive it. I have to go to the snow area again, but I don't want to do that. But it was a nice horse, white, pure. So yes, this is the plantation house. So we have like a lot of different kind of plantation inside that, and it's kind of a little humid, not as humid as the butterfly house, but the butterfly house was the most humid part, and it was warm also. So the first thing which happened is I was not able to see anything because my glasses had that frost because of the change of sudden temperature. It's nice, worth it. You should visit. पेड़ का नाम कोलंबस था. Okay, nothing happened. So they are doing this greenhouse farming like every place. They are giving them proper temperature to grow and stuff, so they can survive. Dutch house it is. They are doing a beautiful and wonderful job. If you ask me, it's nice to visit and have a great day. Oh, I thought that's some security guard pointing me out. Mr. Emmanuel, what are you doing here? You are under arrest.
Checking the situation.
Everything clear?
Yeah.
So there was this one scene where this guy was taking a very beautiful photo of himself. I was clicking it, and the Garda was passing by, and both of us was like, what the fuck? Like we were in a freeze position. We were just seeing the Garda, they didn't saw us.
Put the picture in the video after.
For the reference, I'll send.
Yeah.
Put the picture in the video. Until then, see you. Done with the castle house, and it has some interesting, bit boring history, but the furniture was quite good because half of the furniture is already there in my home, so I feel very connected to it. And the most interesting thing is like the ghost part only, because still, like the tour guide said, even the security people are not able to move to the second floor in the night because they can hear some children's noise. Hope we could experience that, because some tourists do and some don't. We didn't. Maybe next time, until we move to Fairy Trail. So okay, for Fairy Trail, first we need to find our ticket. As soon as we have our ticket ready, we open that ticket, we scan the ticket, and the machine says thank you to you, and we enter into the fairyland. Okay, so they have this beautiful small miniatures in the fairyland, Fairy Trail, and a lot of things to see. Let's go and explore. That's the back garden of the castle house. We are in the fairyland, or we have fairy lights here, and we have this again more small miniatures which we can see in the fairyland. What are your expectations from the fairyland?
Very good. I didn't
No, what are you expecting from the fairyland? What do you think you will find?
I wish you good mushroom.
That reminds me of a hot chocolate. Why? Because we have not eaten. Okay, I can have the Nutella now. Okay, see, let's explore more and see what is there, so we can then finish the vlog. We are still in the fairy tale garden, and the storm is approaching, and we don't know why we are here. We are still looking for the horse which look like human being. I hope we find him soon. So finally we end the fairy tale park here. Just look at it. The wind is pushing me. So kind of we end our vlog here, and it was great having you. Until next time, see you. Okay, bye.